Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to use wrap and wrapAll methods. So these two methods we can use to manipulate the DOM tree, and this video is for exploring the wrap and wrapAll methods. So previously we added this table of content, right? And now we will make this as a ordered list or numbered list. And to make this as a numbered list, we are going to use wrap as well as wrapAll methods. Sometimes we may need to wrap the selected elements with a HTML code. All right. For example, we may have a CSS decorated div tag and want to wrap that around a set of elements. That means here we will be having the div tag and the content of div tag will be empty. If we have a set of HTML elements and if we want to place all those elements within the div tag, we can go for the wrapping technique. Let's say a JQuery selector found 16 elements and we want to wrap them all or wrap the all elements within the div tag. So if that is the case, we can go for the wrapAll method. Here we use the wrapAll method and pass the div tag as the argument. For example, let's say that this is our div tag, and let's say we found some 5 elements using some of the JQuery techniques, right? So what we can do, we can use the wrapAll method and pass the div tag as the argument. So to this found, here we found 5 elements, right? We can state wrapAll here. On this 5 found object, we can make a call to wrapAll and pass the div tag. Right? If you pass this div tag, all these 5 elements will be wrapped inside this div tag. So that's the wrapAll method. When we make a call to wrap method, each individual element is wrapped with the passed in argument. Say for example, here we will be having the div tag. And here we will be finding 5 elements. We will consider the same way. And we can make a call to wrap method. Each individual element is wrapped with the passed in argument. Suppose instead of div, here if you make a call to wrap, right, and if you pass, say for example, a paragraph, then all these 5 contents are placed inside the paragraph, and it will go on like this, right? So this is how we can use wrapAll as well as wrap. So wrapAll is to place inside a particular element, and wrap will wrap the content with a specific element. So it will be done for each element. wrapAll is common. So here we pass div and all these content are wrapped inside the div. When we pass P, each element is wrapped inside the paragraph. So that's the difference here between wrap and wrapAll. In our previous example, we had 4 paragraphs added in the top of the div tag, right? So we formed the table of content using the in our previous video. Now we will use wrap and wrapAll methods to surround that as a ordered list. Right? Previously we just moved the table of content, and inside the div we have separate paragraphs. Because of the grid style, those paragraphs are displayed nicely. Now we are going to place those 4 paragraphs by using the wrap and wrapAll method, and thereby we will be placing them inside the ordered list. Code snippet 4 is modified as follows. Here we are finding all the paragraph with class attribute TOC, right? $p.toc. Take all the paragraph which contains the class attribute TOC. The call to prepend to add all these elements inside the div tag with the class attribute TOC, right? Prepend to, we are making call. We know that this will give us 4 paragraphs, and we are adding all those to the table of content, right? div.toc. And we are making call to prepend to. That means the 4 element will get added as the topmost child of div. Then all these 4 elements are wrapped with the OL tag. So if you see, we have the div tag with the class attribute TOC, right? We previously had 4 paragraphs, and we know that this div tag is assigned with the CSS style. Now what we are doing, all these elements are wrapped with the OL tag. So p.toc, all 4 elements added to the div, so it came here. Now wrapAll, we are chaining it, so prepend to, then we are wrapping all. So these 4 elements we are prepending to TOC, div.toc, then wrap all these 4 elements inside the OL tag, right? Finally, each individual elements are wrapped with the li tag. Then we are chaining it again, and we are making call to wrap li we are specifying. So these are all the paragraph, right? And since we are calling wrap method, it will be applied on all these 4 objects. That means here we will be having li, and it goes like this. So if you see, in our previous example, we are moving all the content to the div, that's the placeholder. Then using the wrapAll, we are wrapping all those 4 paragraphs within the OL tag. And then for each paragraph, we are marking that with the li tag. So that's how here we are using wrapAll and wrap. wrapAll we are using to surround the 4 paragraph with the OL tag. Then each paragraph we want to put a list, right? So this will give us the ordered list, right? You can also use UL for unordered list, for bulleted list, but here you are using the ordered list to have the nice numbered list. Now table of content is shown as ordered list. Alright, it's time for the demo now. Here, this is our 4th code segment, right? We will modify it as follows. So all these stuffs are explained in the slide. Now we will directly go ahead and run. And you see, now we have this as a added list. Let's pick one specific element and inspect it. And if you see, this is a div class DOC. So div TOC, now it is wrapped with the OL tag. We used the wrapAll, and then using the LI, we are forming the paragraph. Right? wrapAll OL. Then with the wrap, we put list item. Each paragraph we are marking it as list item. So that's the use of wrap and wrapAll. Thank you for watching. Bye.